All right, everyone, I'm back with a new unboxing. In an effort to take my content creation career seriously, I went out and got a real camcorder. So we're gonna unbox this thing together. This will not be an in-depth review. It's just gonna be an unboxing because everybody loves unboxings, right? Who doesn't love an unboxing? These are awesome. So I'm gonna take this camcorder out. We're gonna look at it, and once I have it set up, I'll shoot my first video. You can let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if it makes a significant difference from my Pixel 9 Pro XL, and we could go from there. Pretty sure I'm going to be alternating between the two depending on the situation, but let's go ahead and open it up. There is no need for Mr. Trustworthy, so we're just going to open it up just like that. This looks like it's really easy. Got some paperwork. Nice bag. This must actually be the camcorder. Yep, this is the camcorder. Let's take a look at it, see how beautiful it is. Nice tote bag. More trash. Look at that. 6K Ultra HD. 18x digital zoom. 4-inch IPS screen. Can't wait to get started with this thing. Looks like it's going to be amazing. Y'all want to get a good look at it? This takes me back as a millennial. We all come from that time when we had the camcorders. This is awesome. It's like returning back home. All right, let's take out the rest, which should be microphone. Got some cables, HDMI. What is this? Yeah, this is HDMI, I believe. Can't really see the tip. Although it could be USB. Yeah, that's probably USB. Got a microphone. My apologies if you can hear my dog in the background. I'm gonna blame the new microphone. Here's the quote unquote high capacity battery. 4,500 milliamps. And last but not least, this looks like the mount for the microphone, which should be, oh, remote control. That's awesome. Take a look at that. And more cables. Here's the USB. I'm gonna call this retro USB. Retro USB to USB-C. And oh, another high capacity battery. That's awesome. So we got two high capacity batteries, and I'm gonna pull all of this out so you can look at it all at the same time. I'll do that in a minute. And then what else do we have? Oh, our camera cover, a lens cover. Where's the microphone? Did I miss it? Oh, I did miss the mic. Here it is. Sorry about that. I may have shown it, but not spoken on it. This is the mic. Pretty cool. All right, let me get this box down. This is actually not a battery. It's the power brick. So we only have one battery, one microphone, one power brick, one remote, lens cover, microphone holder, and this is HDMI. Oh, this is actually, okay, this is pretty cool. This is HDMI standard. I don't know if you can see that. Standard HDMI. And this one is mini, HDMI mini. So I'm assuming this camcorder has an HDMI mini port. See if we can find it. Get a good look. Yeah, easy it is to open that up. Oh, that's pretty easy. Yep, there it is. The mini HDMI port is right in there. USB-C, and then a jack for mic. Pretty cool. Very handheld. Like I said, it's like going back to the 2000s or the 90s. This is awesome. All right, so the next video I shoot will hopefully be with this thing. Take a look at everything all together. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like I said, I'm doing this for everyone. This is our journey together. If you got anything you want me to do with this thing, let me know. Please like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Anything you like, disliked. I'm here for feedback. We're on this journey together, so let's keep it up. All right, I'll see you next time. All right, so there was something I forgot to mention, which was included. Let's see if I can get it out. It comes with an SD card right here. What's that? 64 gigabytes? Ultra high speed. Awesome. What else did I miss out? Nothing. I think that's it. What's up, YouTube family? I'm back earlier than expected. This video was originally only supposed to be an unboxing, but it turned into a review. So I had a chance to spend at least 2 hours with it, and there are things that I do not like and I can't live with them. So I'm going to be returning it. Two reasons alone. And I should have done my research, but here it goes. The first reason why I'm returning it is the manual stabilizer, which isn't effective for me. Maybe I didn't give it a chance, but I can't live like that. I'm used to my Pixel just being able to pick up and go, walk around, and not have to worry about holding it in a certain position in order to keep it straight. The second thing, which is basically two things in one, and it's also an extension of the first, the video and image quality is not as good as both my Pixel 7 Pro and my 9. The images are blurry, grainy. Video is the same, also grainy, shaky, and it's not smooth. I tested with the following profiles, and I'm going to showcase some of them in a couple seconds. But I have 4K 30 frames per second, 60 frames per second, and also tested the 4.7K 30 frames per second, and also 6K 30 frames per second. Now, in my demo, I'm only going to show a comparison of the Pixel with the 4K 60 frames per second. All right. So things that I liked about this camera: the portability, the feel, the touchscreen, the camcorder experience, which I absolutely love. It is the main reason why I wanted to keep this thing, because of the way it felt in the hand, the way I could handle it, put it down, pick it up. It wasn't a cell phone. I didn't have to worry about all of that. Comes with a cell phone. Saying "Okay, Google" and a recording shutting off. I said it quietly, hoping it wouldn't happen, but I forgot I disabled it on my phone, so it's not going to happen. Also, again, the form factor and the fill light was pretty good. It wasn't the best. It's not better than my fill lights that I have attached to my phone, but I really did like the built-in fill light. It was basically useful in certain scenarios. So yeah, here it goes. I'm going to give you an example of the video quality compared to the Pixel. You take a look and let me know. Let me know what you think in the comments. And maybe I'll buy another camera in the future, but for right now, I'm sticking to my Pixel phones. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Make a comment. Let me know what you liked, what you didn't like, where I can improve, what I did well. I'm all for it. All right, see you soon.